Wala naman masyado nangyari nung off-season. Hindi kami masyado na senaryo. Wala masyado pagbabago. But for our team, what we're preaching for, and also for the fans, is a little bit of patience. There's a lot of changes in our team from yours truly all the way to our captain Paul, lahat yan bago, obviously our coaching staff. We hope to do well to begin the year, but it's not how we start. We're looking at how we finish. If we continue to improve every day through the leadership of LA and our new players, we'll be happy. Dati, sabi nga sabi ni LA, sabi niya dun sa mga player, sanay ako sa bonus kaya kailangan maabot tayo sa bonus. So we're hoping that we are able to turn things around and go much farther this coming conference and the conferences ahead. But again, the request is a little bit of patience with the fans, with our team. Thank you.